siêu chặt tàu
chặt chặt bà ổn phương thiến bà ổn
bàn
mấy nhưng mà đo mục ở Sla và Tom sẽ xa cột phần đầu với ta khả năng tiền mình
Vâng, bói Scott tép mình cầm ly đây.
đây nọ đo ngày đây là thứ hai thì mua bùi dông
Sampai saat kami ba.
Each morning, Kum Lee rises before dawn to cook and prepare offering for Buddhist monks. Her only prayer is to gain enough merit for her son's safe release so that he may soon return home. Her son, Solos, was among the 20 Cambodian soldiers abducted on July 29. The very morning, a Malaysian broker ceasefire between Cambodia and Thailand took effect. Over 2 months have passed now. Kum Lee, a single mother, continues to wait in anguish, still without an answer. From her home in Kok Pneu village in Don Kao commune in Phu district, she lives each day with uncertainty, unable to know how her son has endured during his captivity.
Ở chọc tao cái bè nghịch ngày tim mà phayประมาณแค่ได้มาพายผมใบเงี้ยมาพายผมใบมาพายมุดกี่จังเงี้ยพายผมใบนุ๊กเวียมันใช่สะจับกระนั้นเลยแต่เราไปปรึกล้านนี่ยุ่งยุ่งจ่าตาสลายุ่งใจมาตัวสับก็ขึ้นหัวไปห่มหมูห่มเทียนขึ้นมาเยอะก็ยุ่งกาสังสายสำหรับยุ่งแต่เมียนาปรับยุ่งเตะยุ่งมบเตียเมาพายที่ผมบนยุ่งมบเตียเป็นมบเตียเป็นก็ยุ่งปุยยุ่งยุ่งตาคนมาได้สมัยก้นรวยพับปีเอาไปกรุบยางนะก้นไปหายเต่ายมก็ยิ่งไปสับมาติดมาตอนเรียนปะปากันกิจองใจเสร็จไปก้นยมวะยมตอนปะโอนมือโอนคุยไอ้มือฮะช่วยมืออันติอันตาละเฮ้ยพวกนู้นกี่เกาะยมที่ท่ากี่มือมันจะเกลือก้นปะโอนยมเทียนจุ่มขี้อังเปียบจุ่มขี้นกกลมจุ่มขี้เนี่ยเองก็เวียนต่อยนี่น้องบ้านต่อยจุ่มแต่นะจะทำแม่นาปรับลีนาปรับที่ไม่ใช่จะซับเคยแต่จะไม่เท่าแต่จะยมจะไปดำไงตีมาไปผมบุญด้วยเองยมนั่งตะกุดไอ้เต้อะพอโนุก็ยมเตะโตก็นั่งแต่ยมดังเรื่องเพลงบัดตัวสับติดออกคดีเป็นนักกิจยังเตะโจยมนาวสมอ้อยบวงสรวงกับโตสะเสร็จจังเลยคนเนี่ยมันได้สมอ้อยชีวิตคนมารวมนะคนเนี่ยมันได้ยมสกุลตะเกยจับโตหายมันรอดเต้คนยมมันรอดเต้เลย
Kum Lee said she has received 2 letters from Lost through the International Committee of the Red Cross, which have brought her fleeting moment of comfort. She tearfully recalled her last phone call with her son just 1 day before clashes erupted between the Cambodia and Thai military.
จ้ายังพิจารณาตปีดาว
Sâu sốc tụt cồn
ยังสู้สอบตโกนไอ้โกนท่าคนตาสู้นะคนยังมาได้สมัยคนเจียมอัดมวด
bà
น้ำใบเบิกตลาดโมเมตภูมิยังวิ่งนะคนเมียมาได้ยังตายจะยังหาเต่านะ
bà
น้ำมาได้นึกโกนมาได้สมัยโกนนะคนเมียมาได้ยังได้นึกโกนครั้งนะโกนมาได้นั่งตาเกิดไม่เตะยังตายจะกับปอนเตะปรับยังขยุ่มเปแม่แม่ยุ่มเปยุ่มมาเมียกำลังตาสู้เตะเจียดเตะยุ่มสนักโกน
cồn bà ổn
จ้ายังสนักโกนยังไปโกนยังปะถึงจัดครั้งยังก็ไปโกนเตะมวยยังจุดตักเนื้อจะอ่านนี่นะแม่ชอบยกมาให้โกนแม่หอบไปcái thà cái xe một cái thà mình ấy cái mẹ con cái tập tàu râu mẹ với nhau nhầm tập tự nhiên nhầm ta con xong ấy con xong năng ở tập tiếp ở là con mẹ mà đai này nước con khăn ហើយក៏មិនដែររងចាំកូនគ្រប់ពេលវេលាសុំកូនតស៊ូកូនមានម្ដាយកូនកុំពួតអីប្រេះម្ដាព្រមម្ដាយរងចាំកូនឡប់ម្ដាយមានសុខភាពណាកូនមាតុភូមិខ្មែរយើងរងចាំកូនណាកូនដើម្បីប្រទេសជាតិយើងទៀតខ្ញុំណាខ្ញុំតបទៅវិញចាឯងមីអូនកាត់អីទេមីអូនសុខសប្បាយទេកូន
Kim Lee family has long lived in hardship. Her husband, also a soldier, passed away 25 years ago from malaria, leaving her to shoulder the entire burden of raising her children alone. With no one else to rely on, she became a sole breadwinner of her family. Out of pity for her mother's struggle, both of her sons left school early and tried to earn money and support the whole family. ស្រុកនេះខ្ញុំអត់ខ្លាំងមែនតើមិនអត់លេងទេអត់ឡងចុះគិតមើលបន្ទុកកូនប្តីស្លាប់តាំងពីអានេះទៀតអាយុ4ឆ្នាំអាប្អូននោះ2ឆ្នាំជាង3 2 ណា4ណាស្លាប់2000គត់ចាខាងខ្ញុំអត់ដែលមានបានក្រីក្រទៅណាពីខ្ញុំចាដែលមានទេពេលខ្ញុំមានបញ្ហានេះគេទៅឲ្យបានក្រីក្រខ្ញុំទេពេលខ្ញុំថាខ្ញុំអត់ចង់យកខ្ញុំប្រកែកចេះខ្ញុំអត់យកទេព្រោះវាហួសពេលត្រូវការយកហើយបាទ ជឿទៅពេទ្យនិយាយចៅសម្បត្តិពី3,000ពេលខ្លះអត់ជឿទីពេទ្យក៏មានដែរជំនាញគេតែបណ្ដោះសុខភាពចា Lost as the elder son had to quit school in 8th grade and work as a hotel gardener in Siem Reap City. Later, he chose to become a soldier not because it was his own dream, but because it has been his parents' hope for him. និយាយរួមតើបងអត់ចង់ទេបងប្អូនចង់ពីអាយុ17ទៅចូល18ខែយកកាគេដាក់ពាក្យអាបងអាយុ20ហើយដាក់ពាក្យណា20ហើយក៏ហើយទៅអំភ័យទៅដឹងតែ20ហើយទៅដាក់ពាក្យទៅបងទាំងបងក៏យំមកបងខ្ញុំថាកូនអើយមែនណាបានឲ្យប៉ាអេងឲ្យកូនចាប់មុខឲ្យកូនចាប់ទៅហ៊ានទៅអេងអើយបើអេងស្រឡាញ់កូនណាអ្នកម៉ែអើយខ្ញុំដែរចាំទេថាគឺអាប្អូនណែអេងចង់អត់ទៅអញចង់តែចេះទៅដាក់ពាក្យទាំងបងទាំងប្អូនពេលទៅប៉លិសឲ្យនាំទៅដាក់ហើយក៏ផែជីម៉ងថ្ងៃទី20ណែឯងគេទេមកខ្ញុំផែជីម៉ង4ខ្ញុំថាមីងលោមីងកូនមីងតែដាក់ពាក្យទៅហ៊ានឈ្មោះសាឡោះចាំញីមិនសាឡោះទេដឹងខ្ញុំចេះកែងគេនៅព្រោះអាប្អូនចង់នោះបាទកូនខ្ញុំសាឡោះដឹងថាមែនទេមីងសាឡោះខ្ញុំក៏នេះគេចាប់ផ្ដើមយំបាទយំណាបាទថាកូនអើយម៉ែខំបានឲ្យឯងស្រឡាញ់ឲ្យឯងខ្លាំងហើយពេលនេះគេជិតទឹកភ្នែកស្អាតវិញគេថាអីទេម៉ែគេទៅហាត់បាទណែឯងទៅហាត់ទៅបើកអើបើអីធម្មតាអត់នេះទេតែជិបព្រាមជុំបានបន្តិចទេហាត់នៅភូមិភាគណាហាត់នៅភូមិភាគ4យើងនេះឯងនៅតកោបាទแล้วก็ខ្ញុំក៏ហាត់ហើយអាអូនគឺថាអញខំចង់ហាត់ងាប់មិនជាប់ឯងអត់ចង់ជាប់បាទណែឯងក៏ស្នះប្អូនអូនស្នះខ្ញុំណាអូននេះចាំណាបងមានចាំពេលចេះខ្ញុំដឹងថាខ្លួនខ្ញុំខំខ្ញុំជ្រុញកូន Lost was initially stationed in provinces along Lao border in Military Region 1. He was transferred to Chuam Tai border area on May 29 as tension at border with Thailand increased following the incident at Mumbai area on May 28 as Kim Lee struggles with illness and impaired eyesight while caring for a small grandchild. Her younger sister Man Kim Luan has stepped in to support her during this painful time. Kim Luan gave up her daily work as a hired farm laborer, sacrificing her own income even as her family faced hardship. All she hoped for now is the safe release and repatriation of her nephew Solos. She believes that only his return can ease the sister's anguish and restore her strength, and that allow life to return to some semblance of normalcy. ជួយមើលគាត់ចាជួយមើលបងដូចថាជួនកាលទៅក៏ចេះតែគិតកូនទៅក៏យំទៅខ្ញុំចេះតែងូរាល់ថ្ងៃបាទចុះផតថ្ងៃផតលំបាកទេជួយមើលអត់ទេអត់បាក់អីទេបាទហើយចុះព្រឹកឡើងជួយមើលជួយដាំបាយដាំទឹកជូនចាដាំបាយដាំទឹកជូនបានតែពេលណាក៏គាត់ខ្ញុំគាត់តែទិញមកហូបមកគាត់តែធ្វើខ្លួនឯងផងបាទ
ដល់មានកូនចៅនៅចេះក៏ខ្ញុំចេះតែមូឲ្យបងបានមានគ្នា
តែបងស្រីបងអ្នកមីងគាត់មានបញ្ហាភ្នែកណាមីង
ចាមានបញ្ហាភ្នែកតាំងពីតូចមុតចា
បាទតែខូចភ្នែកដែរ
គ្នា
អញ្ចឹងបើតែគាត់ត្រូវការអ្នកនៅក្បែរដែរគាត់ទៅណារួច
ចាគាត់ដល់តែពេលនេះគាត់ល្ងិតពីដើមមកគាត់ល្ងិតដូចថាយកគាត់ដើរទៅណាបានខ្ញុំចេះទៅបានណាគ្រូ
ទោះបើគាត់ព្រឹកឡើងគាត់ធ្វើបន់ទៅទៀនតែរហូត
ចាធ្វើបន់ធ្វើទៀនរហូតចាប់ពីត្រឹមនោះមកដល់ខ្ញុំដាំបាយយកទៅដាក់បាតដាក់ទាំងអស់តែគ្នានេះឯង
បាទ
ចឹងបានបនកសលដូចថាឲ្យបានទៅជូនដល់ក្មួយឲ្យក្មួយនោះវាឆាប់បានទៅធូរស្រាលទោះបីតែគេចាប់ទៅវាធ្វើបាបមិនចូលឲ្យវាស្រាលខ្លះ
បាទ
Kamli longed for nothing more than the swift return of her son and the other soldier. Every passing day of delay not only violates international law but also deepens her anguish as a single mother, left with no assurance of her son's safety or hope of his return. She pleads for international and regional organizations to act more decisively, fearing that the longer they remain in captivity, the greater the risk to their life and also more devastating the toll on family like hers.
ចាខ្ញុំសំណូមពរឲ្យរដ្ឋាភិបាលហើយអង្គការអន្តរជាតិក្រៅពីទាំងអស់ដែលអាចពាក់ព័ន្ធជួយសម្រុះសម្រួលបានហើយក៏ឲ្យបានកូនខ្ញុំត្រឡប់មកវិញខ្ញុំអរគុណហើយសូមសំណូមពរឲ្យគាត់ជួយដល់ដៃដល់ជើងខ្លះឆាប់បាននៅកូនខ្ញុំត្រឡប់មកវិញប៉ាពេលខ្ញុំនឹករងថ្ងៃមិនដែលឈប់ទេមិនធ្វើអីកើតទេ សិនតែនៅតែទុកតែរំរាយតែយ៉ាងនេះទៅកូនខ្ញុំក៏មិនដឹងតែយ៉ាងណាខ្ញុំក៏មិនដឹងតែយ៉ាងណាទៅមុខនេះ
ចង់បានអីផ្សេងទៅ
ខ្ញុំចង់បានស្អីទេលុយមកហូបអាហារអីជារបស់ក្រៅដែលខ្ញុំមិនអាចទៅទុកបានយូរសម្រាប់កូនខ្ញុំមួយជីវិតសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំ
សំខាន់គឺជា
ចាសំខាន់គឺជាកូនខ្ញុំតែម្ដង
បាទ